Hi, everyone. This video will go over how to create a pie chart that shows the components of a personal budget using Google Sheets. So we're going to be using the information from page 6 of the Budget Math Workbook. So the book tells us that Ryan spends more than he makes each month. As a result of this, he is in too much debt. He is currently making a budget to help him control his spending and get out of debt. To start the process, he has made a list of his income and all of his expenses for each month. All right. So as we can see here, we have all of Ryan's monthly expenses listed. So we have the expense type on the left side, and we have the expense amount on the right side. So what I did was I created a Google spreadsheet and labeled it Personal Budget Pie Chart. So if we come over to the spreadsheet, we are going to label column A the expense type, and then we are going to label column B the amount. Next, we are going to select cell B2 and drag it down to cell B14. Now from here, we're going to select the format icon, select number, and then we're going to select the accounting icon since we are dealing with money. Now we are going to use the information from this chart to help us create our pie chart. So the first expense is rent, and the amount is $1,545. Next, we have utilities, and the amount is $225. Next, we have cell phone, and the amount is $128. Next, we have car payment, and the amount is $269. Next, we have car insurance, and the amount is $96. Next, we have clothing. And the amount is $289. Next, we have groceries. And the amount is $475. Next, we have cable and internet, and the amount is $172. Next, we have dining out, and the amount is $286. Next, we have gas, and the amount is $194. Next, we have entertainment, and the amount is $248. Next, we have credit card payment, and the amount is $226. And the last expense is haircut, and the amount is $50. Now that all of the information has been entered, we are ready to create our pie chart. So since all of the information from this chart has been entered, we can delete it. Then we're going to come up and select Insert. And then from here, we're going to select Chart. Now from here, we're going to select 3D Pie Chart. Now, as we can see here, this pie chart is showing us all of Ryan's monthly expenses and the percentage of the pie chart that they take up. So as we can see here, Ryan's rent expense takes up the biggest part of the pie chart, which is 36.8%. Ryan's haircut expense takes up the smallest part of the pie chart, which is 1.2%. So the last thing that we're going to do is label our pie chart. We're going to label this pie chart Ryan's personal budget. And there you have it. Now you know how to create a pie chart that shows the components of a personal budget using Google Sheets. I hope you found this video to be helpful and useful. If you have, then please be sure to leave a like, comment, share, and also subscribe as well. I would greatly appreciate it. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye!